Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coins ZF. Today's video is going to blow your mind because we're talking about a small coin that many people ignore, but some collectors claim it could be worth up to $13.11 million. Yes, you heard that right. A 2008 South Africa 20-cent coin. Before you skip this video, I want you to check your pockets, your drawers, your old jars, because this coin might already be sitting in your home without you even realizing its potential. Now let's start from the beginning so you fully understand why this coin is getting so much attention in the collector's world. The 2008 South Africa 20-cent coin was issued as part of regular circulation currency. It is not made of gold or silver. It looks simple, ordinary, and something you might use every day without thinking twice. But the truth is, sometimes the most valuable coins are the ones that look the most normal. This coin features a beautiful design that reflects South Africa's culture and natural heritage. On one side, you'll find the national coat of arms, symbolizing unity and strength. On the other side, you typically see a plant design that represents the country's rich biodiversity. The coin is made from a copper-plated steel composition, which means it is not valuable because of its metal, but because of its rarity and unique features. Now here is where things get interesting. Not every 2008 20-cent coin is worth millions. In fact, most of them are only worth their face value. But there are certain rare variations and error coins that can make collectors go crazy. These rare coins can include minting errors such as double strikes, off-center designs, missing details, or unusual coloring. Even a tiny mistake during production can turn an ordinary coin into a collector's dream. Imagine this. A coin is being struck at the mint, and due to a slight misalignment, the design is shifted. This mistake is not caught immediately, and the coin enters circulation. Years later, a collector discovers it and realizes it is extremely rare. That is how a simple 20-cent coin can suddenly become worth thousands or even millions, depending on demand and uniqueness. Another factor that can increase the value of this coin is its condition. In coin collecting, condition is everything. Coins are graded on a scale, and the highest quality coins are called mint state. These coins have no scratches, no wear, and look almost exactly like they did when they were first produced. If a 2008 South Africa 20-cent coin is found in perfect condition with a rare error, its value can skyrocket. Let me give you a real scenario. A collector finds a 2008 20-cent coin with a clear double strike error. The coin looks like it was stamped twice, creating a shadow effect on the design. This kind of error is extremely rare. When this coin is presented at an auction, collectors from around the world compete to own it. The bidding goes higher and higher, and suddenly, this small coin is sold for an unbelievable amount. Now you might be wondering, is the $13.11 million value real or just a claim? The truth is, such high values usually depend on very specific conditions. It could be a combination of rarity, historical significance, mint error, and collector demand. While not every coin will reach that level, the possibility is what excites collectors and keeps the hunt alive. That let's talk about how you can check if your coin is valuable. First, look closely at the year. Make sure it says 2008. Then examine the design carefully. Use a magnifying glass if possible. Look for anything unusual. Check if the design is off-center, if there are double images, or if any part of the coin looks different from standard versions. Next, check the condition. If your coin is shiny, with no scratches or damage, it could already be more valuable than a worn-out coin. Try to keep it safe and avoid touching it too much, as fingerprints can reduce its value. Another important step is to compare your coin with images online or consult a professional coin dealer. Experts can help you identify whether your coin is a rare variety or just a regular issue. Sometimes what looks like a small detail to you could be a major discovery in the coin collecting world. Now let me tell you something that many people don't realize. The coin market is driven by demand. If collectors are actively searching for a specific coin, its value increases. This means that even if your coin is not worth millions today, it could become more valuable in the future as demand grows. This is why I always say, never ignore small coins. Many people throw them away or use them without thinking, but those who pay attention can find hidden treasures. The 2008 South Africa 20 cents coin is a perfect example of how something small can have massive potential. I want you to take a moment right now. Pause this video if you need to, and go check your coins. Look in your wallet, your piggy bank, or that old box where you keep spare change. You might be holding something special without even knowing it. And if you do find a 2008 20 cents coin, don't rush to sell it immediately. Take your time, research it, and understand its true value. Sometimes patience can turn a good deal into a great one. Before we end this video, I want to remind you that coin collecting is not just about money. It is about history, discovery, and the excitement of finding something rare. Every coin has a story, and sometimes that story can change your life. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about rare and valuable coins, make sure you stay connected with Coins ZF. There are many more hidden treasures out there, and I am here to help you discover them. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever found a rare coin in your collection? And do you think this 2008 South Africa 20 cents coin could really be worth $13.11 million? Your opinion matters, and I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video with another exciting coin that might be hiding a fortune.